How to install Laravel. Hey everyone, in the last video, we learned what Laravel is. Today, let's install Laravel and create your very first Laravel project, step by step and beginner friendly. Let's go. Step 1. Install Composer first. Make sure Composer is installed. Go to getcomposer.org and download it for your OS. Composer is like Laravel's assistant. It helps you install and manage PHP packages. Step 2. Install Laravel. Installer Composer Global require Laravel installer. Run this in your terminal or command prompt. It installs the Laravel command globally. Step 3. Create a new Laravel project. Laravel new My First App. This command will create a Laravel project named My First App. It may take a minute to download everything. Step 4. Start development server. My First App PHP Artisan serve. Now your Laravel project is ready. Open your browser and go to http://localhost port 8000. You'll see the beautiful Laravel welcome screen. What is the command used to create a new Laravel project via Composer? Drop your answer in the comments section below. I'd love to see what you think. A. Composer install Laravel. B. Laravel install. C. Composer create project. Laravel My App. D. PHP Artisan new Laravel. And that's it. You've just created your first Laravel project. In the next video, we'll explore Laravel's folder structure and understand what each file does. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Until then, happy coding.